The Nature Spirit Tarot interprets tarot symbolism through the living and vibrant world of nature. The 78 cards are illustrated with plants, birds, insects, and reptiles from diverse environments. The deck is self-published in a large 4x 7-inch format along with a 188-page companion book, and available from the artist. The box, book and deck are of the highest quality, as good as any publishing house has ever produced and far better than most. The box is sturdy, and the amazing companion book is full color and significant. The cards are very nice cardstock, not too thin yet not too thick. The lovely paintings are very easy to see and beautifully done, but not overly cluttered with details. This deck is easy on the eyes in all the ways you might interpret that statement. Check out the links in the description for more information about this tarot deck. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tarot deck reviews.